Okay. Fine. Good morning, everyone. So ngasi class orsi. Okay. Ako'y ngarang test tawgre. Ngarang I test ki question da gyan tadabaga yawbra. Ma'am. Ha? Kayino karam kumaktrize. Ngarang I test ki question da noy answer gumba gyan tadaba sana daba gumba yawbra. Ma'am. Ainero. Hello. Why don't I get any response? Tabra. Okay. Yawde have a call. When I'm gyan tareba ko. Alright. Fine. Rosibla tabra. Rosma. Hello.
Sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. Rosma nang kinato ko next kita di ngarang ito sir na sir gisidai ko print tawraga angang amda nang namen bagay dumen han bane ko. So nang question ju yam complete hindi nang gito full talk taw male ko and kitang unprepared oy bagi no worries adu duna setback oy bidi ate makata na dum ko prepare to dum yani ko aduga kay hani next time di prepared oy you answer kano torok do sir na tharap do OMR do adu hana print out thoga hana thammo aduga OMR da mark toro ko adu na sir kitang thui dana ko ay ang OMR ang print tawna muka mark ang toroga nang iba haidi adu do scan to haidi scan to do handwritten do scan to ya de ko adu maina don to adu OMR do na tragadi anyway so kuina last class the kai vote gre have the average kedawa average velocity kai ka to gre da kai sakre. Is it this one? No, see, right? Akoi gi last class 2 last Thursday we didn't have a 19, 20, 21. I think 17. Chijira. 17 or Chijiro no one in the yes. See class we get the name and then average speed, relative speed togre, acceleration togre, so civil togre acceleration both togre then can see yeah. She's those okay. So yeah. So we were doing motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line ji मैम अदुम ज्ञान दी तानब्रा सीजे असी चैप्टर जे हाना नोइने अतोपदा केन तोरप मतमदा अखोय हजिक से एक्सेलरेशन बुक दी लोइग्रे को एक्सेलरेशन की क्वेश्चन नंबर क्या ना फिन नाउ तोबदा एक्सेलरेशन द खंग द यावरिबा कइनो दी मोशन इन स्ट्रेट लाइन द कुन हजिक तोदो वाले काइनेमेटिक इक्वेशंस खतंगा एबको so acceleration की द ज्ञान ता द यावनरिबा मैम नेहा निबिया संजना रोस्मा रोसिब्ला दी हाना ज्ञान तारमनी को रोसिब्ला लाइब्रेरी को सोमा वॉइस से म्यूट तलेरे तारे सर ओके फाइन so a quick way na dum keno toksan ge maka ko sum session ge yani tare sir okay so akoina to give do dai chakre acceleration both over the acceleration of a particle is increasing linearly. Okay, so question number 23 is the no idunga money ko. Sige question number 23 is empty one. Question number 23 is nga madrio. Yengo. Question number 23 nga money higher the is kinematic equations to bodo ko. Nga madra. Nga money ko. Nui kayino ko magtize. Question number 23 is hot kisi. Yes sir, ngamani sir. Okay, fine. Yeah, record there. Let's proceed. Kinematic equation stores. Record there. Nasi class ki no na no the stores. Okay, fine. Now this is this class is continuation of units and units and measurement motion in a straight line ki continuation ni ka. So we'll do kinematic equations, but before we do kinematic equations, yam ten na ko kena tausi ko kaidoba position time graph or distance time graph so hai ka. So let's say distance time graph. Distance time graph ang tausi. And ko. Matang na kaidoba velocity time graph ko. Yare ko. So ako'y na okay fine yare ko. So ako'y na graph ama maming thonba matamda kamaina maming tholi haiba matamda always vertical axis haibdi y na hani bu ko y na hani ba aduna ako'ina kai laini ha matamda distance time graph ha som the distance laini ba som the distance time na kai time na makada laini ba time na makada yan tai ko isa sumai legani ba distance time graph hairagadi tang chakat ke kanu maite tang chakat ke so yes si yare ko anyway yare ko sumai laini ba aduga akoina kedawi have matamda velocity time graph haibani na velocity na hana maming tholi dana se time velocity haite velocity time graph haibu ko ona velocity som da laini y axis ta and times na kedawa x axis ta laini bu ko always akoina graph ama maming thonba matamda dependent variable na hana lawni independent variable na kona lakaneba so here time z independent variable ni x axis ta leibase independent variable ni time hongbai matung ina velocity hongakani time hongbai matung ina distance hongakani aduna kona idosina independent variable aduga kedoba habdi graph amada every graph any graph maths ki ogera physics ki ogera statistics ki ogera any graph koina kida we have the variable ani gi relationship ne koina graph to portray to wadu ji ko project to wadu ji graph ta aduna kaino koina graph to show to do have the it is the relationship between two variables one of the variable has to be dependent and one of the variable has to be independent independent variable si x axis ta laibdu ko aduduna independent variable oiduni and dependent variable na y axis ta laibdu oiduni and graph ama maming thonba matamda always dependent variable na left ta thangani ba ko adumai yare ko so that's it now quite first akoina kida we have the rest laibe hana tawzi ko aduna ihan han baisina kai rest second gisna kai uniform 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 motion haibdi constant velocity haibni ko so again no uniform motion has uniform acceleration uniform motion natteba ko uniform motion haigadi constant velocity oigadaba yai ko adan le ani then sisina kaino have the uniform acceleration uniform motion ga uniform acceleration ga manade ko adagi chap manai ai atopa ga isidasu kana toge ko so this is uniform motion this is uniform acceleration haitare ko so my graph ga isi yexi ko kamain toge do yengsi ko so sida so risky yalakani and mazi kitang problem di lene kan so again was mataki ko na kage sisi they are and this is for uniform motion and this is for uniform acceleration so graph hum ji kai dikhene ya matam the rest di position ji sungong hong ko aduna position ji sigi same position ji that adum le regardless of what the time is auna kaido we have the time ji nang si de t1 logera si de t2 logera magi position do the always same way t1 da su sigi position je adum le t2 da su sigi position je adum le ko auna kaido ni ha matamda the position does not change with respect to time. So time di change of the way time di increase of the kani masama tanda ko but position di kito wa sung hong tre the position hong tre di kito ra photo race the label ko and then uniform motion higher di always straight line the legani masi race the layer maga smaina horopo or ci ko natragazu any other can oi bi ko aduna kuina white adum season ge ko aduga straight line da smaina kaya yang kala ino call ino have to di it depends on the slope ko but sigi positions sumai lagi da now mathang da kai dong kai no have matam da ai si kak le meni uniform acceleration da kamai kam gang kak ri ne kang ud uniform acceleration gina kamai ne lagi ni ha matam da it has to be curved like this ko have di kai no have da mai yang kala koi sang se mana deba for example let's say aina some sidaina sifogi time am lo ge and sidaina sifogi time lo matam sida sigi sang sida mana yang kala ji sigi sang ri khatang ne ba si sang adi kai for example let's say green sina ge ko sigi portion je khatang ne ba mana yang kala ji sigi time interval sida now next time interval da di maji kyam yang kala I ha matam da aduna magi next time interval de mai yang kala koi sang si asang wa ji ne ba ko auna same time interval di chama ne but yang kala koi sang ji mana bra mana de adu ra ga di ke da we pot cha acceleration le re ba yang kala koi sang budi mana but velocity difference so mana de da na ko aduna pot si constant velocity de le tre ba som side di constant velocity da dum le ni ba nang na gap tu chama na ga di si dai ne si bo sang ba gap si ni na si dai si bo chalo si gap se dum chama na ne ba si le gap se ko if the time interval is same adu the constant velocity da di the kada wa distance to the distance traveled adu chama na ne ba gyan dai guys haidi aina t equal to 0 daina 1 second power 1 second and 2 second power some 5 second and 6 second power travel to with distance to lo in chap mana ne ba uniform motion da ko but uniformly accelerated motion or uniform acceleration da chap mana roi ba ko kai no ha matam da hen sum hengalakane ba sum hengalai do kai na potu yangalak pai ne ba aduna yangala ni na kai da wi ha matam da magi speed or velocity to increase the rabanina with time maji ke dorakani ha matamda magi kenosi same time interval lower gasu hauzik let's say 0 then 1 second bau da mana chatpa distance suga 5 second and 6 second bau chatpa distance suga mana roiba mana roi disi kai gina 0 then 1 second bau da my speed to pe 5 to 6 second my speed to some hangalak maina ayaw bane ba aduna adu matamdu da 1 second the travel to duga ngasai horokpado 1 second travel to manaroi ko any thangna bo suman manaroi ba always acceleration sum yangala ga sum helakani tapthara ga sum handarakani bu ko adwain leini but suman ni manaroi ba if there is acceleration ko now next towards next kind of rest leiba velocity time graph velocity time graph ki rest leiba de rate no ni yeke color je mana kaino to na bu ko so maji rest leiba si mapa ji do nei ne ba yan dai ko ai si do ni kitang song ni kinate ya au namazi race leibedi sumaina leini then mathangda kaida leiba uniform motion da leibena constant velocity ni sumai leini and uniform acceleration ni mazi sumai leini yan tai ko aisa suma aina mathakta nanjun ya di kai white ne na le rich ne nanjun ya di karigino rich ne nanjun ya di se habzi aina di rich ne nanjun mani tang yengi ko just a second ꯅꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯣ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯦ let it be ꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯦꯍꯥ ꯁꯟꯖꯅꯥ ꯔꯣꯁꯃꯥ ꯔꯣꯁꯤꯕꯂꯥ ꯅꯤꯕꯤꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯑ ꯚꯦꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯝꯄꯜ ꯊꯤꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯁꯔ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯖꯜꯂꯨꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯁꯇꯦꯟ ꯚꯦꯂꯣꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ मा टाइम जी जेरोदा लेगिरा माई वेलोसिटी एकदम सेम होई लेबा हाबी मा 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर दम थवेबा यांग यांग खते तपसु तपथदे आउना रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द टाइम हाइदी इनिशियल होगेरा फाइनल होगेरा एनीवेयर इन बिटवीन होगेरा मागी वेलोसिटी सिटी अदुम सेम होई ले चेंज होदे अदुना यूनिफॉर्म मोशन कोइबा रेस्ट लेबनिना माई वेलोसिटी अदुम जीरो होई ले यूनिफॉर्म मोशन इना माई वेलोसिटी की इंक्रीज तौरपै चांगजे माजी यांखलपै चांग चप माने कांस्टेंट होइबा दुना स्ट्रेट लाइन होइबा को सो अदुना सी नि जी खितंग गाउनगे तौबनी सी गाउनगे तौने सी से को स्वाइना अदुना फजना क्वेश्चन पाव मतमदा मुन्ना पागदबनी डिस्टेंस टाइम ग्राफ हंगिरा वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ हंगिरा हाइबदो को अनि जे को सी इंपोर्टेंट नेक्स्ट और जी नेक्स्ट ना गइनो नेक्स्ट ना kinematic equations ko so before we do kinematic equations aina the distance time graph equation khara kanthom mali kanthuk tabra kanthuk tini okay kanthuk tab mali ko yeah I had the kinematic equations for uniform accelerated motion so let's do kinematic equations now noina sigi kinematic equations ek palakpa matam da noigi mind da tak launa lakadab ji kaino hai matam da uniformly accelerated motion ni ko ai sigi pen ni nip change so ga call it classic logo logibuga dum si setup mayam kauthokpini oi yeah so you can now kinematic equations sida kinematic equations it is only there for uniform acceleration uniform or constant acceleration if the acceleration is also changing at the yankala koi chang ji jo mo change to have the nang na gari je kane mi gari thowa ham gari thowa higalakpagi ko accelerate no start to ina ko gari thowa ja auna aham gari thowa higalakpagi rang ong thowa long tap tha ong thowa sainum far sum thowa aduda hedo ya aduda uniform acceleration leite ba amuk khaya yankalak amuk khangta ong tap tha amuk yankalak ong tap tha aduda kinematic equation pan ba yaroi ko kinematic equation pan ge the uniform acceleration leigadam ne so aduna kuina kai lei ha matam da kuina we know kaidoba kuina is the acceleration as kaino final velocity minus initial velocity by total time ko t minus 0 haigera t dang igera iro adu regadi adudagi kuina kai lei ha matam da v is equal to u plus at na kuina direct derive to vi this is the first equation ko question 1 this is very important kuina second kai lei ha matam da kuina kaino puto kadu is s puto kadu ko adu regadi velocity v is equal to ds by dt ne ko so or kaido ba s samjan ge ka samjan non for s so ds by dt is equal to v ne ko on a v dt integration of c ta do ne ko aduna kaigina have the since v is equal to ds by dt at velocity by time so do we target in a sigi equation 1 this is integrate or the u plus at is the integration of dt to matamda kai tani ha matamda u d constant ni ka on u integration dt plus a is constant ni integration d dt aduraga di ut plus half at square tare ka so this is the second equation on s is equal to ut plus half at square sumai to tabani. So sigi derivation ji not very important from the exam point of view yam kana important di oide, but still noi khang da ji yaroi ko. So duna si se muga khang zelo. Mathang the third equation is arga aina ngasai kari s am le ko duna sigi first equation is square tausan ba squaring the first equation aita. So v square is equal to u square plus twice u at ka plus a square and t square which is equal to aina u square and 2a common lower gadi kai only have the ut plus half at square tie, so which is equal to u square plus twice a star ka aduna di kai tare ha matlab therefore v square is equal to u square plus 2as and hydrogen. So this is the third equation. So mind we have the three kinematic equations which are very important. Tikang ragadi physics C, physics physics C hamba first higher secondary level की physics तापजी सिदे होई in general लाइता अवना सिगी अहुमजी खंग रगदी there is absolutely no point in studying physics haita dana kwaidai maru oibisi kaino have the first equation the b is equal to u plus at, then s is equal to ut plus half at square, and then v square is equal to u square plus twice as and legadini ka. So yare ko ma'am lene mak sigi se equation homje this questions are very important ka. Yare ko. So okay fine ma'am asigi keno sida derivation sida gyan taudaba ga yaubra ma'am yaudeba ko great. Okay yaude yeah fine ko. So then let's proceed question gra holam ji aduga question gra hot si aduga papat long to ji ko. Now as a question gra hot thing is sir can my real life example. For example, let's say you are standing at the top of a building. Sigi building ji ko. Sigi building ji ki mathak ta nang lepe ba yare ko. Si building ki height nang puthok ninge ba. Adu oragadi nang ke do ba sidai bol am thado nung mai tare ko sima pa sidai thada matam jina stop watch am payo ba adu makha zingara kanam thamo kang launa yei stop watch stop to ba adu nang time khang ne nang delta t time jina khang ne ko through a stopwatch ko time ji ke do kani stopwatch tai phangane stopwatch am sizinaraga time ji phangane yare ko adu oragadi nang acceleration ji kai gum khang ba taragadi acceleration ji khoi gravity da tamakani ko g की value जी कहीं तो होगी 9.8 ताई नो से so acceleration दी 9.8 ओवर नहीं होगा अदूर अगर जिना सी building की height से यम लाइन पुथुक पे आएगा करम बा equation ना है बता तो कहीं की कहीं तो वन equation हम ले का अदूर द करम बा equation से ना नहीं है रो height से solve तो गया है कदी रोस्मा संजना नेहा निव्या है रो रोसिबला है रो
S equal to ut plus half at square.
Okay, s equal to ut plus half at square का. Okay, fine, very good. S is equal to height से का ut AC line chingse lakpase yam soiba s equal to ut plus half at square. Very good. So s to the height of the building ni u to the 0 ni time to the a khangde time do ka. But again half into nang 10 loro 9.8 motor and then t square tare adu ergadi nang asagi sigi kedoba ꯁꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ equal to time equal to stopwatch time ꯗꯣ stopwatch ꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯏꯗꯤ height ꯇꯨ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ 5 into t square ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ 10 ꯗ 2 ꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ 5 into t square ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ general formula ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ height of any tower or any building or anything ꯁꯦ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯣ ꯇꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯅꯪ stopwatch ꯑꯃ ꯇꯛ on ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯂꯪꯊꯗꯧ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ u ꯁꯦ 0 ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ free fall ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯐꯠ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯈ꯭ꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯛ ꯂꯥꯎꯅ ꯌꯩꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ stop ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔ ꯅꯪꯅ building ꯑꯃ height ꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ viscosity-ꯅ problem ꯂꯩꯇꯅꯕ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ streamline ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ for example ꯀꯩ ꯌꯣꯠꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯨꯡꯅ ꯌꯣꯠꯄꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯒꯗꯕ ꯐꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯗꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ viscous drag ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ spare ꯅꯨꯡ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒꯁꯨ viscous drag ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯂꯩꯅꯦꯕ but it will be negligible ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ anyway ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯩ ꯐꯕꯗꯤ streamline ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ tumꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯨꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ viscous drag ꯂꯩꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ viscous drag ꯀꯁꯦ ꯇꯣꯛꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯩꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯗꯚꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯃꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯑꯉꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯏꯟꯖꯤ ꯇꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯧꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒ ꯊꯨꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯟꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯒ ꯕꯤꯜꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯠ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯏꯠꯁ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯀꯩꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯋꯤꯖꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯋꯤꯆꯀꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯁꯝ ꯖꯥꯗꯨ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ but there is no jadoo here sida leisi keno physics neba akoina laws of nature ji khangbagi adugi the different physical quantities singji marakta leiba relationships akoina khangbagi akoina yam line putokpa ngammineba gyan tai ko haija auna akoina ji kedowa akoigi mangda leiba technology myam haji leiba computer kamai saraino electronics ni ko semiconductor technology and then aeroplane kamai paino usik singna kamai paino ji si study tawraga magi ko Bernoulli's kedowa theorem kai ka ama lift generate tawba khotpa adu singdo khanga matung akoina ong design tawraine ba adudi potsi mass ta leiramdre na ko lift generate tawjawdagi buoyancy Archimedes principle palaga samudrada kedowa or any water body in the boat ship ko cruise si myam saraise metal na saba nung na saba dum tawhalise si kaino buoyancy principle of buoyancy atare ko auna physics is all about kaino abda natural level phenomena ji observe tawraga kai ke physical quantity sing ji associate tawi ji koi thidoga associated physical quantity sing bi mark level relationship establish tawdo adune physics ai on sida jo coin to ji adu du mak ne my height si magi time taken du kai relationship lay ha height is equal to 5 times of time taken squared ne adu nang time du pak long plug in to gi matam da height du masa matan chong thok jara ni ko so physics si kyam lai adu nang na ꯇꯦꯞ ꯑꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯋꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯠ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯔ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯗꯦꯠꯁ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯛꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯏ ꯋꯥꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯂꯪꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇꯣ ꯌꯧꯕꯗ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯆꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯪꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯠꯇꯣ ꯈꯪꯉꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯁꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯪ ꯂꯪꯈꯠꯀꯗꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯑꯝꯗ ꯀꯥꯞꯈꯠꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯆꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯁꯝ ꯄꯤꯁꯇꯣꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯤꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯚꯦꯂꯣꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯠꯇꯨꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯉꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯉꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯣꯞꯇ ꯌꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯑꯥꯐꯇꯔ ꯗꯤꯁ ꯃꯦꯅꯤ time ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ this many seconds or this many milliseconds ꯃꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯦꯛꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯤꯕꯀꯣ with the help of the most powerful ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ one of the most powerful equations in classical mechanics which is kinematic equations ko so sigi kinematic equation ahum si latpa yade any doubt any misunderstanding it should be absolutely clear ko crystal clear oigadam si equation ahum je ko aduna si ahum ji crystal clear oi di habdu haji question holaga yengani ko so where are the questions here a ball is thrown vertically downward with blah 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 so sigi question ji noi try toro ko duga next di kanba horni question kanba horni habdi lairaga di kandani laidraga di noi lui kalaga di kaloi ko so try this question try toro si meter per second ka si unit ka si hap to si ai ka. No. Okay. A ball is drawn vertically downward with the velocity of this from the top of a tower ka. So initial velocity am yaure ka. Adudi kedova it hits the ground after some time with a velocity of v ju pirame v ji kaino 20 meter per second and the height of the tower ka a ju pirame a ji kaino a ji 0 gedani which is equal to 10 moin low height 10 meter per second square low height ka so moin si the two lai ji kitang kai di ya dan to in ko phone je kai gre ni si the phone square to ya de si ji. And then height of the tower put away sarna ji hang give chap mani but the only difference is the u am yor ko. So do er gadi kai sina we harok ma'am. First equation, second equation, third equation kam sina ni. Sige sida. No
Third
can to
equation.
kai haba third equation hai bra.
Also, third equation.
Okay, very good. Rosibla ngasi di library later bra. Rosibla
Sir, ay ngasi library chatro.
ngasi library sa to. Okay, okay, no worries. Kano nangi do chemistry gi do circulate to nahan do sir ga phone da pau di phaunar ga ai di nahan je kano to sigi kai bu no ta ba ko. Aduduna aise kano to phak ta ga bu nu mi to adugin dressing alternate day chatuine duna ngarang je ngarang chatte dressing ko nahan si kai re aduga stitch mari to we ko adagi ngasi among dressing tai ngasi among dressing to budene auda kano to hazik akoi gi recorded session ina aina kai de yeng no kanana stitch to no de haidoroge but stitch story bu doctor do khara kano to wari sanaraga moini ji wari sanaraga stitch to da lang je tinjallena aduga ching do thola wai tai amuga hanong stitch to ine habidi tin bodo kani bora da kano port pai type to ni mo khali se ko ai som da ai khang le ni ko mo adum stitch to du lang du sum wari sana stitch to du phalong nandura aude amukong thilla amukong stitch to stitch to mari to bodo da manga to gre hai tare ko kai no de amuka hanjallam ni na amadi anyway na section gadam ni ko engwai noina heng stitch to matam da na so third equation in there ni now v square is equal to u square plus twice as. Noina khangadaba na downward ta makada taragadi acceleration is positive kai no yankal eba ko mathakta langkhat lagana negative kai no taptharatro sum langkhat ki matamda initial velocity u umda langkhat kani sum kakalaga magi final point to the dima race la kadine ko momentarily aduna adi sum tapthara final magi height to the velocity 0 ko aduna negative acceleration lay ba kakatpada kai no taptharakpagi tarakpadana positive acceleration lay kai no di yankhalakpagi ko so adu pansalo aduga adum tarani ko b ji kaino b ji 20 square ji adum thamu 20 square na ko kaim torugi no kai no b ji use 20 ai
Sir,
na
B do 80 oidoine.
b ji 80 oidini ko okay so 20 square plus 2 into 10 into h harga height to the h is equal to harga 80 plus 20 the 100 80 minus 20 the 60 divided by 20 so c ko 236 na c 300 which is kedawa 300 meter d option d tare ko so c is over 100 into 60 lai se me gyan ta da yaubra 100 into 60 se Neha, Nibya, Rosibla, Rosma, Sanjana, 100 tai ba Sanjana tai here. Atai ji tabra 100 into 60 is kai dilai no khangra ba.
Tai.
Tai ba okay. Smain to exam da noi 80 into 80 into 20 into 20 in to lai gano ba. Sana si thamai ji tai di. Ai hana yeng thola ko na ti ko si question ja. Edi kaino ne. Si gi kaino a square minus b square masai si form da lai tra ba. Auna 80 square minus kaino 20 square gi form da lai ba. Auna si di kaino a plus b into kai a minus b. Sumain to da na si di kaino 80 plus 20 1 which is equal to 100 and then 80 minus 20, which is equal to 60. On 100 into 60. Adu isi orgadi aingonda keno tore. Yam nungai ko lai hata. Auna adu pali ni ko. So that's it. It's a very simple question. All right, so let's move on. Mathangi question si no gyan tabre ngo question number 25 si hot sira hot lojira. Na pamar hot sira hot ni. Sigis
hot sira
hot sira ka. Sigi divided by pung sai sai ni kan sai ber sai da bang tenging ge ka. Sai traga budi fare chai ga di keno tor sem dollar. To sai ai jong choice na mc tor masi copy paste in tor ni. Snapshot in tor ge. Here I go. So a stone falls freely under gravity. It covers distance h1, h2, and h3 in the first 5 seconds, the next 5 seconds, and the next 5 seconds respectively. So the relation between h1, h2, and h3. See the mathematical canonical problem when it's at physics when the like maths kitang lingbam changi. So port amazi sidaina sidai thadare kumutami yung tarakaduni. The first 5 seconds, then second 5 seconds, sida 5 seconds. The asing with the hela kaduni sang with the easy lale. Kitang hien at Tarani Tareko. This is kitang the sangan with the ara. So is it? And she cooked a lot. Easy. Don't have that. Easy. She did tuck numbers a lot. But they tuck numbers in the kind of. So then we have the Kidawa third Q in the swipe over time. So this is second 5 second and this is third 5 second. So minus Sigi Sidagi level they tarakaduni ko. Aduna Takumatam did my ground is the yay any ground yay rubber yay drew. So the relation between h1, h2, and h3 ka. So do you want? Let's solve it. It's a very simple question. Nuina kamay putokani hamatam da quite first S1 hana putoka. S1. So kay equations in any second equations in any ut half a di z and then t square di 5 square. This is S1. Sisi mi amlo ni yaning bra. Yaning ko. Kau bra. Zikido. S is equal to ut plus half at square do adu palin. Yare ka. So may daw na S2 hana putoki seba. S2 di half z 5 to okay aina kaito we have the 10 second on thoge 10 square ko and S3 yung putoge of the half z 15 square. Now igi h1 small h1. So h1 di kayo mo sa piyati. Okay. Sisi kitang sahat ke ka space like the 100. Adu the h1 di h1 di s1 ne ko h2 di h2 di s2 dagi s1 kaido pa, which is equal to adu di sir nang sa ito with 10 square minus 5 square di kaido ba 10 plus 5 di 15, 10 minus 5 di 5, so 15 into 5 di 75. So 75 adu di half z erga 75. Yareka. Matang the h3 di s3 minus s2 neba ko. So isisim ta height to gina yaro. Aduna half into z harga s3 di 15. 15 minus 10 di 5. 15 plus 10 di 25. So 25 into 5 di 125. 125 tareka. So therefore harga h1 di s1 which is equal to half into z into 25 right? So the 25 ka 75 ka 125 ki ratio the 1 is to 3 is to 5 never. ꯑꯗꯨꯅ 1:3:5 ꯒꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯌꯣ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ h1 ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ h2 ꯗ 3 ꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ 75 ꯗ 3 ꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ 25 ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ 5 ꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ 25 ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯗ ꯀꯔꯦꯛ ꯑꯟꯁꯔ ꯏꯁ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ ꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ
Tại sao?
That's it ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ h1 is equal to ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ h2 ꯗꯨꯗ 3 ꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ and h3 ꯗꯨꯗ 5 ꯅ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯤ h1 ꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
Dạ sao?
ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ so ꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ so that's it ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟꯅꯤ let's proceed to the next one so next ꯈꯜꯂꯣ question number 26 ꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯁꯤꯔꯥ or question number 27 28 whatever 2060 a boy standing at the top of the tower turning drops his assuming the velocity with which it hits the ground sino ismon hota bi higher pang ngamudra hisa v is equal to root over 2gs ana tawdu khangbra v square equal to u square plus twice as ni na u to the initial velocity 0 ni na haparoi so twice as neba 2 into 10 into s neba so 2 into 10 into s again 20 atare adudi yam la dro audi 20 tare answer je so hota bida answer so the correct answer is 20 gyan ta utra basikida
Tại sao?
tai receive la tai neha sanjana nibia rosma gyan ta utra basikida
Tại sao?
tai nibia tai hai neha chet tai hai sanjana ga rosma ga di ta bro tai hai rosma sanjana di tai sa okay fine yare ko no len tare great question number 27 jidi a ball is dropped from a high-rise platform at t equal to 0 starting from rest. After 6 seconds, another ball is thrown downwards from the same platform with a speed v. The two balls meet at t equal to 18 seconds. What is the value of v? Sisi noi tau sir tau zena hack tau male. Tau zira yadra. Tau zira yadra. Tau sir. Okay, doors. Yam live question ni ko. Live question. Noina already hasiki noina kai loin khang nga nga tane ba ko. So kena tau si ko sir go min zi. So a ball is dropped from a high-rise platform at t equal to 0 initial time 0 starting from rest. So first scenario the u equal to 0 blah blah. After 6 seconds another ball is thrown downwards from the same platform with a speed v. So the two balls meet at t equal to 18 seconds. So do t equal to 18 seconds. See the magi height se put ka. So other gadi kind of have the s is equal to mana tarak putuni kam matak tage ut di 0 chakre ka half into 0 10 low high into t square d k no 18 square so 18 into 18 ka or 18 square and tamjra thamrage 18 into 18 lower ga handa mukti ka kai no ai isa da phaw bu ne ba si mathang bi da solve to no fain ka lebu ka so sit kai na 2 9 18 ka so 8 9 72 919 1620 ka so s se mana ngasai gi tarak pudo in 18 second 18 second tarak pudo 18 second da tarak pudo sigi height da tare hem ne ko adu mai tower gi height di mem wang ga ni ko sigi tower ji de tarak ka ni bol ji yare ka adu sida 18 second and what is the value of so adu di mathak ta kapkhal di sina kaina ma di 6 minus 18 second sigi bol sina kapkhal sida thing du sina kaina only 12 seconds ka ne ko kai sir 12 seconds ka ori di hai मादी after 6 second na natro langkali do aduna madu thengnabjina ngasai haurakpa initial dagi 18 seconds de kan thengai ne amni odima na travel to do only 12 seconds kan ne ko auna s1 harage and s2 mathate ka kala ije sina ke do ba s2 sina ke do ba kai equation pani again the v square u square v di akoi u di kang v kang de ko v kang bra kang de so adu erga di s equal to ut plus half at square dum pala ni ko u zi kaino magi u z what is the value of b okay another strong from after 6 seconds another ball is thrown downwards from the same okay downwards happening I'm really sorry a ball is dropped from a high rise platform at t equal to 0 starting from rest after 6 seconds another ball is drawn downwards from the same platform with a speed v okay my bad I see sorry sisi kidaba ama zu langtarakadoi same ko ball ama langtarakadoi sidai dum genda raisa magi na b ama yaw langtarakadoi ba ana adugi v do kya ho jina have ko my v ama yaw langtarakadoi ba aduga 18 second da di moini maksi same jaga da 1620 loina ma oigedoi ne ba 1620 meters hai tare ko loi oidene ba adu ergadi ma akon bagi s2 jidi kaino u do akoi v oiramnina v into 18 v into 18 hariko 18 minus 6 12 hai tare v into 12 plus half into 10 into 12 square 12 into 12 hai 144 hai tare ka so anyway not a big deal so adu oibataragadi sidi kai tarani have the 12v plus and the calculator 2612 so I come the suyamni ko anyway the 720 tare ko auna kai no have the moji thengai ne yam same distance ne ba sima pa si di kan ta bra moini si the thengna me auna same distance travel to bugi ne ba moini thengna ngami to ko amajina kona 6 seconds late oijaba taragazu ma the initial velocity am yaw tare ko aduna mana tanaba phangmane ba yanda gaja and easy manner any aduna kai no have the 12b is plus no idum khangamani answer ha 12b plus 720 exam dadi sumai ga tawlei nu ko 12b ja sidai tak minus to adum yen bro 12 na aina sum si yam sangdok na torobni ko so 0 le ni aduga 8 sorry 9 ko 900 by 12 le ni natra so adu ga di 4 na ko so 4 3 12 natra noi 3 na ka kunu ai ga dro 3 ka sira 3 4 12 3 3 9 answer tare ko 75 tare yarba si se ma'am yadro ngawbra yani sanjana yani hare sisi aina sisi da kana tori ya shwai sisi ka ini ka sisi ka pane da ji ha ya okay anyway yare ka so kai gino sanjana ka tang yani hare ja atai di rosibla yarba
Yani sir. Yani sir.
yare nibya rosma
Sir, yani.
yani lo yani hare ka okay sorry question number 20 ga kari 8 question number 28 sitting on a particle starts its motion from rest under the action of a constant force if the distance covered in first 10 seconds is s1 and that covered in the first 20 seconds is s2 then okay you know sidi phadok pe ai ka sidi yam lai sidi answer tarbo amana 10 square 100 amana kai 20 square di kai no 400 adu di 100 ka 400 ka di 4 times oidra amana s amana
Takhani sir.
aduna option number kai ta de no Neha. Rosibla kay ta no?
B sir.
B ta din S2 is equal to 4 times S1. Right. Yare ko. Sidi am live question ni ko. Question number 29 di. Tau zero tau zero. A particle moves in a straight line with a constant acceleration. It changes its velocity from this to this while passing through a distance this. In this, the value of t is. Again, it's a very simple question. No tau zero di tau zi tau zi haragadi. Let's move on. Yadra or tau zero. Yani. Question number 30 di. The distance traveled by a particle starting from rest and moving with acceleration this in the third second is no, still question number 30 is sir you in the 30 is a paro hero 31 two bodies are drawn from the ratio of the time taken by them to reach the roundness. Okay. Now question number 31 is them yardom wali 32d. A ball is thrown vertically with a speed of this when it has reached 1 hour. How high does the ball rise? A man throws ball with the same speed vertically upwards, one after the other at an interval of 2 seconds. What should be the speed of the draw? So then, okay. Question number 33 is the Question number 33 is the ma'am. Not yadra.
Tausi sir.
So let's do question number 30 or whatever be the question it's asking between 2003 so a man throws balls with the same speed vertically about one after the other at an interval of 2 seconds. What should be the speed of the throw so that more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time? So okay, fine. Now I do already S 9.8 square. So now 2 balls are at the sky. Haven't ever. Ball ball langkala si yore adugong tarani maziko. Taraga suppose tarak pwede na som nakandi yeke ko si tare adu maziyong si yoran. No. Ball amakag langkala tare yare. Ball zi ani langkat no matam zida keda wiya matam da aina kena da every 2 seconds kudingi ball on si sum langkat ne ko. Aduda, what should be the speed of throw so that more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time? Adu magi total time of flight say 2 seconds taragadi and every 2 seconds kuding ball langkat there will be only 1 ball in the sky. Kaya no di ball amsi langkale ko 2 seconds na matare hek tarak pa moment to da ina langkalamina there is only 1 ball in the sky. But ay time period na kay gumba kaya more than 2 balls I know. Ay time period 1 second oy taragadi 1 second again paikat pada sangma matam ga tarak pada sangma matam ga same oy ni ko aduna kay do we have matam da ay total time period si kay 2 second habidi kay na matam da kay nate sorry ay kay do what time period 1 second oy ren kala je ko adu gadi ay na je give 2 second ga give 2 second so 1 second paikale 1 second tare 1 second paikale 1 second tare adu gadi kay do ni ha matam da ball amadin lay ko but aina total time period half second oy taragadi amazina paikale aduga si paikatpa matamda ball amazi kaidoba sina mathak yaw matamda si kaidoba 0 second ina first ball se paikale 0 second ni ko now 1 second yore everyone adudi kaino have the 1 second yore 1 second nate half second da pai khale and another kedo half second da tare ko aduda kedo we have the 1 second yo da ngai sigi 1 second si dong sigi ball je mu kap khala pa hore gyan tabra si kida ta dabra ai kena tor ke ko smai explain tor so let's say kai gumbai na if I take the total time taken have the matak the kakat keep 1 second lower makha tarak pa in total 1 second kakat pa sang matam tarak pa sang matam always manani ko adu ergadi kaino total time si for ko t is equal to 2 second id for total time is equal to 2 second edoba only one ball will be in the sky ko only one ball type only one ball t is it adu sir moina di t hang manate moina di kai hang ba moina di what is the speed of throw na hang mane ko but t de hana t khang matung the speed of throw du putok ka ne ba kai gino ai matam da koina speed of throw is v is what is v v is equal to kaino have the kari root over ka root over har final velocity budi 0 ta ni ka so root over 2 as type yan dai guys aduna again height to koi khangbra khang de and again height is not mandatory ko ngai ko okay anyway kai da kai lai v is equal to u plus atm there then s is equal to ut plus half at square later and then v square is equal to u square plus twice sir na si equation home ito raisa wakan kan manungai nam ni ko kaino this is the current manu kwai den chana di yeng nam the moi options sing the yeng ga budi koina khandok po di yani aduna hena bus tu zu yai ko but anyway koi traditional method adum sin na tawsi ko so every 2 second kudingi lang kalagadi one ball katang na ni every 2 second kuding idi lang katu ni do upalai ko my time interval to 2 second me bitar my time interval do let's say 1 second me bitar gadi adi ke dorne my time interval to 1 second me bitar gadi ball amana mathakta lai nge the second ball je pai khala ne ba and first ball na tawa matam the second ball na top ta lega third ball je pai khala ne ba auna exactly 2 balls lai ba time intervals in 1 second lai matam da ko aduna time intervals in 1 second dagi less oi batar gadi kaino hai matam da time taken je adur gadi there will be kedoba always more than 2 balls hai ne ba yan dai ta de tai ko sisi total time taken ni ko kakat pa plus tarak pa pull up ki ni ko auna kai gumba time taken is less than 1 ball sisi na kedoba exactly 2 balls only 1 ball ka sisi na only 2 balls layer only 2 balls si less waragadi kedoba more than 2 balls more than 2 balls kai de lega ni ka in this guy have the maji ta da bi da tare ka more than 2 balls lai ne si gyan tar di answer ta ni ka si gyan ta de la lo re so si gyan ta bre ngo sir ni si de iri se and then si gyan tai have tar ga di v do bu to si ka sorry u do bu to ka de ni ka u do au na so height ya bu ji ko pam de ka height si mo ni piram na tam ni na au na we have the u is equal to v minus a do minus z ni on a minus 9.8 into t do kaino t do half second tarani ko t do half second gi hen less with ni ko so c gi hana putoki ge ko aduga less when z na c is the kedoba ka agadi but again what is my u di 0 ni ko habdi sida ina u is kaino this should be 0 and si use in a moina ain to is kaino sorry to is it has to be u le ka adu gadi u is equal to harga cc mathakta langkhat pagi oina khan bai wani in a minus 9.8 adu the final velocity c 0 initial velocity u langkhat pagi minus le ni minus 9.8 adu cc plus dum ibiro adu asom na zat cro ka auna A C Z learning T na in a half second low whenever ko. I believe CC 1 second Z can never. Kakatpa katangi 1 second hamnina. Ado kakatpa tarakpa pull up to 1 second over taragadi. See the half second over draw. See the tarakpa is half second. Aduna kakatpa katangi in low way one because she said Aduna in a U is equal to C as on gross so 2 4 8 and then 2 9 18. So see the yaudra answer there. Yaudra ka. Then talk with the quiz kind of swear something yings. Every 2 second kudingi langkat pataragadi sorry, every 2 second kudingi lang element throws ball with the same between one after the other at interval. What should be the speed of the throw so that more than 2 balls are in the sky at any time? Okay, fine. Twice going to b is equal u plus at. Okay, fine. V d0 layer u du and then a d minus 9.8 layer and t is kakatpay matam z ka total paikalakpay matam z oh into is sorry. I'm sorry. Center is sorry. Kaygino dina time z 1 second kak sang bataragadi ne moina ball lang kalisidi every 2 second kudingi lang katpanina ne only one ball sa dum le ni ko si swear total time z 2 second oi be arrow 2 second is some chocolate kadam ne ko auna every 2 second kudingi di only one balls le ni every 3 seconds kudingi di 1.5 second 1.5 second ne ko auna every 3 second kudingi yeng se ba yan dai ko sa aina keno togre aina langkat pagi timing duga pai bai timing ziga zi ani zi cross na gre dunani I'm sorry for that. So let's repeat once again. Tot every 2 second kuding aina bozi mathakta langkat kadoi ko auna bozi paikhalure tare alda ke dawi ha matamda ek tarakpa momentu bola mong langkale auna only one ball is there in the sky. But if t is equal to 3 second, let's see adudi pochi paire ko adi mathakta paikhale paikhatpa matamsida 1.5 seconds change then another another 0.5 second amada si ball se mathakta paikhala ne yan dai ko isa then audagi di amka kaidawi ha matamda si mathakta paikhalani then aduga sina another 1 second that this is tagrani ko but si balls di langkat kiroeba yan dai ko isa auna still we have only 2 balls in the sky but they ask more than 2 balls. More than 2 balls it has to be greater than the t is equal to let's say t is equal to 4 second and lower zero ko t equal to 4 second tawataragadi kaino ay matamda total time ni ko auna kaino ay 2 seconds ida mathak kakatpada changani and 2 second makha tarapada changani total 4 second ne auna ball zi aham by first ball zi mathak ta kakale ko first ball zi mathak ta kakale then mana top yo matamda second ball zu kakale yan dai ko isa and then mana bottom yo matamda third ball dong kakale so still we have only 2 balls in the sky. So still we have only 2 balls adudi sidai hen bataba ko adi one. Just a second. So CC more than 2 balls. See the zoo lady have the only 2 balls of them lady. T equal to 4 second and T is greater than 4 second or matamda we have more than 2 balls. Matamdu kuina sangi gay tarapada kuina sangi gay ball do sky de yam late never ko. So aduna a 4 second you doing lower ni of yang si the ko aduna 4 second hay say ida we have matamda langkat pa katang you na di 2 second never tarak pa 2 second never ko aduna aina so aduna langkat pa 2 second and tarak pa 2 second auna si sida total time is langkat pa 2 9 2 sumay la ni ko so option de yang magana budi hen tourni but anyway so 19.6 tare ko 19.6 meter per second that langkat pa matamda you will get exactly 2 seconds. Sorry, you will get exactly 2 volts like more than 2 volts or yeah, higher gadi you know I am matamda t is a 4 second since t is greater than 4 second So u should be greater than 19.6 meter per second. The correct answer is 19.6 meter per second. Here na yang na lang kadam ne ko. Adu here na yang na lang lagadi. We have the mazi matam zi kara here nam pairaga layrani. Akoy na lang katuji every 2 seconds kudingi lang kadawni. Aduna ma kara here na tayo tarak pada kitang here na kuy na sangawni na. 19.6 te kitang here na lang katpaizi speed si kitang here na kuy na sangawni ba 4 seconds na kadi hela ne. Adu obviously ball Z they don't have the exactly have the exactly you want to ball ani de so na mathak le ni ko ta da bi da gyan ta hobra ta da bra jigda Rosibla Neha Nivia Rosma Sanjana
Tay sir.
tai ko atai di adum noi ta da sing na ta de ko sir yam thu na short oi na tang hala ju kem kai de noi gi gyan ta da ni maru ji ko Neha tai hai atai di Sanjana tai Rosma tai Nivia di
Tay sir.
time okay yeah do entirely go so sir nang sa log give half second ha ga din ball 2 second they less word only one ball kay ma tarak na hala ni second ball lang ding edi gen dai ga ja paikat pada half second changa de but paikat pada 2 second changa ga di ball ani khak lai ni ba kay di paikat pada 2 second changa ni tarak pada zo na 2 second ko ana si lai re si yori ne da ball amo kap khala ne amma jina top ta lai da ball am jong lang ka pa hor ne auna amajin ta matam da si hek yai bida among lang kala ne aduna moini ji marak ta thaina do ne bola ni khak lai ne ba ti ji langkat pagi ji 2 second or gadi but langkat pai ji 2 second ne hena sang ma tar gadi bola hum lai ne ba ko adi wani da that's it so aduna ne si da aina what aina noi da haning ji kaina da si gi question ji ga manaba question ma exam da hang yen kala se ba ko adi di ke da ni no have the sumaina matam sanga lei bai kha da sung ko yaro sumaina matam sangan ba gyan ta right again si aduna ke doni am noina practice yam toina sum han jan sar practice to wai to buta noi khudak ta khang ne for example si question jai horen nung thin natra hayeng ayu khang ge hayeng hai at any time of the day noi dum har ka ne sir for langat pa 2 second ne na changa da ni na aldi for adi total time 4 second or langkat pada 2 second ni na 19.6 day hen gadam ni no si answer ni khuma kane ba ngasi hanga ju hayeng khum mo ju but thame matu hanga gadi no si khumo oi ba no hot ke har kane ba hot pada ju gyan ta di har pu jo kane ba aduna ni sir na revision ji hanjan chaloi ji kai yu no ni si question ji no gi again aina angam gi chela polari kam lai ne ba ko kadai chakre di khangde o chile sigi like sa kena tahu ni sir na ne si thangat pa matam na noida left right si kena tahu no thokpra abdi right ka left ka si change tahu na briang sida nit antai si ha
Adum chumna uye.
NWT sa chumna dumui ko sa
Aw sir.
37 and okay yeah noida chumna urdi yeah okay adu bita agadi no problem so I sir is so is right or left
Right.
sorry
Left na sir.
left ni ko so is chume yeah so kay na yung tayo ito sige question je kay gumba ay sir na si sina je kay na si asina kwai phaba ne ba ko phai hai si solution phai hai wa na te ba ko magi question gi every chapter khuding is fine mana sub topic khaido ga kay ni tugai bani na ko adu gi question sing no yeng hot phai si kwai phaba ni si dum si no si question adu solution di lan phanam yaw ni ko ado anyway si sina matam da noina siguma question ji tiktok so lo je haji solve to question ji si tiktok so lo hanjan solve to question arrive di hanjan solve to do ji ai ko noi answer adum yeng da no answer kum ngam ni siguma je noina kai gumba noina after 1 month amkong mu revise to then after 2 months amkong revise to after 3 months amkong revise to yar bai ja audi noi ji total revision ji aham mai du thar ga di 1 2 3 4 times to grand revise exam si ang ko matam na sungol hol loiba answer dai khot kro dom neba more than 19.6 meter per second sumai to duna question ji noi gi out of 50 45 to matam da question 30 mukti sumai khot pa ngamagadi noi no khot to ji kaino only 15 questions ka tang neba the other 15 questions do hot, but the 1 hour is more than enough. That should be your strategy. There is no other better strategy. Ko awna noi pekha manung chang question kuding hot lai ge du sungang nangoi aduna tik to ngam na hona ga dam ni ko hot to bida question palo answer tik to hanjin jang hola kan la kan ni badi sigi same question je hang kani have dina te ko but noi practice level do wangi ge question ji hot to bida tik to ngam bai level so wang kan ni ko adan le now anyway question number kya na ji question number sigi question number kan ji di 34 ji di to zara yadra ai 34 ji to wondi padong male yam tu no to ke ko question number 34 ji keno macha am yauri twist macha am yauri ko du gi in is so now last t seconds I mean she the name of the last t seconds I'm not called last t seconds I'm oh no total times total distance again I have the ut plus half harga vertically upwards ut minus half g t square that is the total s total here we go now s total minus t u t minus t minus half g t minus t whole square. Now the distance traveled in the last t seconds should be total minus s t minus t. Season ever ko aduna ut minus half gt square. Question ji phajai ko adugini sir. So sigi question ji ju ma'am tiktok salu ut minus half gt square minus plus half na dia 2 duga half 2 ka krani na ko auna z erga capital T small t minus erga half t square le so ut ka kre half gt z wala me ko sidi ka oi sidi etorani ko then answer the option the yaudri kai khalira yaurkani ko kayam khalun question phajabani sigisi ai hapet ningjingi sigumba question ji phajagibani baka aina na hoi adi noi kai mawang bits and dum taki dai so okay fine no worries so minus half gt square d minus gt square tare ka aduga minus ut yam lere so sidagi kai half okay ko ain khali chumra hanan tanyeng total time le total time dagi t bo wi sakki matam khaido ga remaining time the fang de ne ko the distance go during the last t seconds so it's just yeah it's okay fine no worries chum printed chum ka na oh see the story again see capital T over the ko never somewhere I'm swear so this is u capital T and capital T square aduni noiju harakte noiju kena tawdabra khangde sengna kena tawdabra sikaiba cgt neba ko minus half g t square neba auna adu oiba targadi kaino haibada sikakpa yaroi so sika ani half gt square sisi kaino sisi minus oi chumra ꯆꯨꯝꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ ut minus half gt square aduga minus haraga ut sisi plus lakani ko kaiginodi minus minus to plus lani aduga sigisina minus minus sisi plus lakani ko sise aduga sisu plus lakani aduga sisina minus lakadaba soyam is yo ngawbra sigise ko aduna answer tare duragadi ko so sisiga kani and sida minus gt na sida t ama fakta hobra t am fakta ta hoy ka yam to fana yiga se ngawda na ut u capital T minus u small t minus half z capital T square minus minus plus half into 2d 1 so z capital T small t minus minus t plus haraga amuka half z t square c sumai leidane ko auna sigi potsida akoina minus tausanba taragadi kaino habda c sima leijare minus lani plus lani minus lani plus ko so c sumai le siga c ka kre c siga minus half gt square plus half gt square ka kre aduna answer ji kai tare habda ut plus half gt square minus z capital T and small t c sumai le ko auna capital T ama z fractare ba z capital T ama ko fractare so capital T sidagi koina kaidawi haibata sisi semdokta yar ko so capital T di kamando mangan jiga halo okay fine so kam kaide auna ut plus half gt square ki form di amta di laitre so tz kaino habita total times na t ga small t ga ma to kai relationship lay habita t minus t how they kaido t minus t plus t equal to t na t do di masana adum masana mangje ko last t seconds hai auna aigi last t seconds sangba keno do puthwa hai ko aduna the distance covered during the last 3 seconds of its extent so kaidno di soire ji kaidno to yengzi z t z common low bataragadi kai kanai suppose let's say ut le ko sir ju khangde answer ji semdokpa yadura yadura have but plus aina kai gumba z t z common low ragadi kai ta t minus t ta ko but adu do aina pam da ko so t minus t da ne answer ji ta di si kai gina answer ta di ta gi sigi sai na jing with the ko but anyway let's see kai the problem like it if I take half z t common then I get t minus half common already 2 tar ni ka 2t Is it helpful? No, it's not helpful. So what is the problem? The total abolished one particular would speed u the distance covered during the last t seconds of each section. So total time t nina ut minus half at square pale, not an issue. The pale. Now see the same question jim tango hot ke ka topa weda. And let's see. So see same question see same question at top tango hot ke time so it's equal to u square plus twice is u square v square is equal to u square plus twice is the one we have final velocity and initial velocity with the conjugate. Now okay, now have the v square is equal to u square plus twice a s over. So v is equal to u plus at. Depan tadi. Jadi yung kandi pa. V is equal to u plus at depan tadi. Aduna kaya kita we have the v is equal to v1 is equal to kaya have the u minus z into t minus t. See with the layer of now u1 is equal to kaya have the v1 akun basically you in height distance to put okay aduna v square c v1 aduragdi magi di kaya have the v2 square minus v1 square is equal to twice a s nebuka. So aduragdi v2 square is 0 ni v1 square di kita was kita this is my equation 1 to lagi ka. And equation 2 the v2 square minus v1 at minus u1 minus u1 and square minus u2 square is equal to twice a s line ka. So magi u2 do di kay na the v1 ne yan dai kaisa my u2 do di kay ne ba v1 square ne is equal to twice a arga s2 arga s2 yare ka. So aduna no isi ngau bra b equal to u plus at line ko aham bagi si na 1 ne ba si na 2 ne ba ko mo input wise ke no the distance covered during the last t seconds of each section. So this is the lazy kind of the s2 is equal to what? S2 is equal to y ne and last t seconds the my velocity do kind of the ahambagi final velocity is never on aham final velocity is v1 ni v1 is le auna kaido we have the akun bagi u2 is equal to v1 I get the u1 11 my bad I'm sorry for that. So this should be u2 and u2 should be equal to v1. So u2 should be equal to v1 square. So c tagadam ni. Aduna di kayo have the so a do kayo have the a do minus 0 gadam ni buka on a z lani sila minus lani on a minus ka crack. So what is my v1 square? My v1 square is u square ka the u minus zt whole square. CD yung po siyang chao tuwi niya ka. U minus z t minus t whole square is equal to twice z s2. So sida in s2 puto kaya 2z nung sida yen ba ka. Aduda capital T amadi yaubra have the adum yaw le capital T se aduna z di makala line ka. the u se initial velocity u to the 0 ni ko okay fine z ma khala na ko initial velocity the u to ni na u to 0 ni na u square le ko minus erga twice u z erga t minus t le na ko the minus erga z erga t minus t le na ko t whole square amuk tawgo ne ko gyan tabra tai ko so u br is 0 ni u br is 0 u br is 0 ana si half si ga si z ga kakre ana half tang le hore ko so aduga z amadi le honi ko z square gi z le honi and adu di t square do capital T square do minus la ani sida minus am le na aduga plus twice r t and small t ko dagi z am gi kani aduga minus sida minus am le ni ko so z am yarani aduga t square le ni aduna t sida su z am yaroidro half g square half sig natang thamgi ka so those sida matam yam samtok re to is so half z ana ahamba sida kai tare the total times minus half z t square plus c different tare 2 ka kre capital T small t z minus half z t square the c possible nasagi c siga di mana c siga dum chamanan tai ko chamanan tai but chamanan tai c is the kind of problem is 8:33 as pung di kena tai pung pam ka hendo creator is kai this for no pizza so is it utre ut minus half gt square ut minus t plus t square last t seconds quite last t seconds ko then initial c capital T total time t dagi na ngasai first t seconds kai do pa do last t seconds phanggadam ne ko aduna first t seconds ki di ut minus half a t square le ko kem kai de so ut minus half z got t square then twice tt do minus lani minus 2 cc minus c plus 1 gani twice 2 c ka kren g tt la sita so did now ut plus half ct square minus this so sita ka now akoi sida kem ta soibu di yaudre but moina capital T is it yaudo one option sida let's see kamaina tagena option je kai wegen yeng se do ga torji ko question number 34 question number 34 so question number 34 same when hy to capital T the distance covered by the ball in last t second h minus y si to okay moina t equal to u by z na put tausan ba ko sige si ma ko yung tawag da ba okay kaigino hay matam final velocity 0 ni na ko si je ina khanau da ba wakan ji kaigino hay matam da ko si khanau di kaigino C di tare ba ko C this is the right answer but option da yaubra yaude option da yauri sing je chana na kuina kaidoni hay matam da kuina delta s is equal to ut plus half g t harga small t minus harga 2 into capital T je capital T is kamaina puthokani hai matamda koina total sigi total time do adu du dei puthokadani ba ko avna v is equal to u plus at ni dara avna total final velocity to 0 ne ba u di u du mo jaina minus g har capital T yanda ga ja adu regadi si poche asom puthokragadi plus gt avna u is equal to gt avna t is equal to kaina u by g si wakanje khanau to is it's a bad thing. So there is twice z है capital T square की मतलब कई लाने u square by कई नहीं ना capital G square ना तीन तो 2t हम ना drop. So 2t है दी कई ना 2 u by so capital T दी कई ना 2 u by z ले नहीं का दुना चीज़ कई तारे अब the u t हम ले रहे plus half g t square हम ले रहे minus 2 का करे अदुना z सु का करे का Yan tab right ya 2 ga kakre z ga kakre audi ut tare audi minus ut ga plus ut ga kakre kan answer kai tare half gt square tare yan ta ho bro yam sikida yam sang nei chang to kre si question da Rosibla neha nivia rosma sandana yan ta ho bra che to in kume ko tare sir sandana
Tare.
neha ga ni neha tare ko akoina soi je si da kai soi de ba only thing is capital T gi wakan ji si ji khanau da bai tare ko adugi ni ठीक है अदुना सी क्वेश्चन सिदा लोशन बदि नुवाइते पुंग बुदि तारे दो क्वेश्चन अमतंग न तौजी को दुगा लोशन हजिकी क्वेश्चन सिदा लोशन बदि नुवाइत्रे याम क्वीन जगन दबि दबा so question number C is 34 question number 35 sitting am gadre a particle is thrown vertically upward its velocity at half of the height is 10 meter per second and the maximum height attained by 8 yani ko question number 35 ji tawjira tawrisira handak mukti ku yeroi haziki do ina ne capital T du mangan me wakhan du atopa holam ga mang ka rang khalu ba wakhan du kanau do aduna sir na muk haining is kai no matam da C question je noi tik tok selo ba ko kai no di exam da C ki twist se noi suppose exam da wakhan du tholak ta ta ra ga di yan ta right C kai su sida lu ba hai ta ba hai roi da kem yaw na te ba but twist macham di yaw dra an C gum twist C pai khada we have the problem later na ba hanjan practice to wise duna sarna nan hagi do chapter da question total ji haji powda hang grab da question yang kai yaw mutam na question kharadi practice to wo chang ba question yaw kani on sigum question ji wore si question ji mark to solo and adum solve to sanau ko aduna bekamong the khotna da na ba now question number 35 ji to rijra so Rosibla Nihani Bia Rosma Sanjana Hero. Question number 35 Jita Usia Torisra. Hello. Kay no ground kung tree. Hello. Hello. No, can talk about that. Hello. How the hero dana? Sigi Solto zero to zero. 35 sit to zero to zero, but 35, 36. No, in a to zero the hero. Yeah, and have got 35. Question number to Duneva 30, 60, 36, 37, 38 year. Next by next year. No, 38 live. Surgery meeting. Question number 39 ito zira.
Hi, sir. $39.
Question number 39. The water drop falls at regular intervals from a tip 5 meters above the ground. The third drop is leaving the tip at instant the first drop touches the ground. Okay, how far above the ground is the second drop at that instant? Very simple question. Okay, you know, having the total time taken is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Tarakpo the 5 seconds. The third drop is leaving the tip at instant the first drop touches the ground. Aduragadi time an puthoko time z. Time z kaino have the kamaina puthokani time z have the s is equal to ut plus half at square panda right? Okay, into half a t square palo. So 5 meter 5 ud 0 ko then a half into a d 10 into t square. T square is kaino. Third drop is 5 meters above the ground. I see the 5 second height is I don't know. It's the height is 5 meters. So do t square. So adudi kaino have the t is equal to 1 tare ko 2 cc 5 tare 5 kathana grave na t is equal to 1 second. On the total time taken 1 second. Every 1 second kudingi abdicate c then is about 1 second. The third drop is leaving the tip at instant the first drop touches the ground. How the third drop na see the lift up adudi kaina every half second kudingi drops it tare every half second. Aduna t equal to how far above the ground is second drop at that instant? T equal to half the labor distance so puto s when t is equal to half second tare ko adudu ne moi puto ko. Now adudu puto pada amuk 1 adudu amuk 5 meter de subtract to do ne ko. Ang siyan puto kisi aduna ut lere ut do 0 dum tore ko do tore half into 10 into half square or the half into half. There any out there 10 by 8 are 10 by 8 are so do the required height h to total 5 to 5 meter dagi kai 10 by 8 meter subtract orni so 8 5 40 40 daily 30 by 8 meter tarni so the 8 3 8 4 kedova 8 3 yeah 24 8 4 32 ra 3 the 8 3 24 get 60 the 8 7 56 8 5 40. So the correct answer is 3.75 meter. Gyan tao process hai. Sanjana, Rosma, Rosibla, Nivya, Neha. Gyan tao process hai. Hello.
Oh, sir.
Tayo ko Rosma. Okay, Sanjana, Rosma tayo. Rosibla, Neha, Nivya yarbo.
Oh, sir.
Tayo ko. Okay, fine. So, ngasigi di sidalo shalasi ko pung ju hendokre. Aduga next class da keno tawuni ko. Ko yari ge noi sigi question me amja answer na relative velocity noi tak triba. So anyway, sigi question sida noi na khangdaba do hango sir da keno doina ko group doina hango sir na holaga natra sir sigi question jimadi yam doi sijim horan ningi have whatever do hango in the next class da adu holaga next chapter mosani ne plan to godini ko next class ko habidi hayeng hai tare ko. So see you all tomorrow. Have a great day ahead. See the stop there. Thank you.